Hello, Elena Dumitrescu here. Today I want to talk about a very important topic, especially for photographers who are at the beginning of their journey. How to work and photograph newborns who have colic. After many years of experience in newborn photography, I can honestly say this. Not all babies sleep deeply, not all babies are calm, and not all sessions go perfect. Colic is very common, and if you don't know how to handle it, a newborn session can become stressful for you, for the parents, and most importantly, for the baby. In this video, I want to share what really changes when a newborn has colic and how you can adapt your workflow in a safe and respectful way. First of all, it's important to understand that a baby with colic is not a difficult baby. It's simply a baby who feels discomfort, stomach pain, gas, and because of that, the baby can't fully relax. From my experience, newborns with colic cry more often and more intensely, arc their back, pull their legs up, don't tolerate frequent position changes, wake up very easily. All of this directly affects the rhythm of the session, the poses we choose, and our expectations. The first thing I learned is that you must enter this type of session without pressure. When I know a baby has colic, I don't force anything. I accept that I may not get every pose, and I remind myself that comfort and safety are more important than my portfolio. Babies feel the energy around them. If you are stressed, rushed, or frustrated, the baby will feel it. Your calmness is the first step towards a successful session. Communication with the parents is extremely important. Before the session, I always explain that the pace will be slower, that we will take many breaks, and that we may not achieve all planned images. I tell them clearly, this is completely normal. The baby leads the session, not us. This helps reduce pressure and allows the parents to relax. And calm parents usually mean a calmer baby. For newborns with colic, comfort is essential. From my experience, the room must be warm, no cold air, and no unnecessary noise. I always heat the room before the session starts and never during the session. A warm baby relaxes more easily. A cold or tense baby will cry even more. This part is very important, especially for beginner photographers. With colicky babies, I avoid complex poses, I avoid too much handling, and I avoid poses that put pressure on the belly. Instead, I chose simple poses, natural positions, and poses with good support. From my experience, wrapping is one of the safest and most effective solutions. A correct wrap gives the baby a sense of security, limits sudden movements, helps the baby feel contained, and can reduce discomfort. Another key point is to slow everything down. I don't watch the clock, I don't rush transitions, and I allow breaks for feeding, suiting, and diaper changes. Sometimes the best images come after a break, not before. It's completely normal for a session with colicky baby to take more time. I want this to be very clear. I never force a baby. I never keep babies in a position that makes them cry. I never say just one more photo. Crying is communication. When a baby cries, I stop. The baby's safety and well-being always come first. Newborn photography is not only about technique or posing, it's about patience, empathy, and adaptation. Babies with colic teach us to be more gentle, more aware, and more responsible. And if you learn how to work correctly with them, you will be able to handle almost any situation during a newborn session. If you are at the beginning of your journey, always remember the baby leads the session and safety is more important than any photo. From my heart, I want to tell you this. Don't be afraid to work with babies who have colic. They are not impossible to photograph. They just need more patience, more understanding, and the right approach. In my experience, working with colicky babies wrapped changes everything. Wrapping brings comfort, security, and calm. And when the baby feels safe, the session becomes smoother, more relaxed, and successful. Most of the time, when you work this way, the parents are happy, the baby is calm, and you leave the session confident. If you want to learn this properly, step by step, I explained everything in my course. I teach 10 different safe wrapping techniques perfect for beginners and ideal for babies with colic. These techniques will help you feel confident and will greatly increase the success of your newborn sessions. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.